How to pay TD insurance online in 2025, easiest method. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just directly get onto the topic of this video. So first of all, you have to go to the My Insurance portal on TD Insurance website and logging using your username and or access card, password, or through easy web or web broker credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to register first. So then you have to do after logging in, go to manage policies and or directly to billing, make a payment section, and in the TD Insurance mobile app you have to tap billing on payment to access the same options. After that, you have to ensure your credit card or bank account for pre-authorized payments is up to date and edit or add new details if needed. The system supports updating in app and online. After that, for one-time payment, you have to select the amount and date you wish to pay. For recurring installments, you have to choose frequency, monthly, etc. Note, there may be installment fees like 1 or 3% for paying monthly. And after that, you can review and confirm, and after that you can track and manage payments by viewing upcoming or past payments in payment history. And you can modify or cancel upcoming recurring payments through the portal. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.